When you're working in a venue of this size and this stature, safety has to be the number one priority.
Our particular complexity is that we are 3 distinct buildings. So we're an exhibition centre, a conference centre and the arena. So those 3 areas bring a whole range of completely different events, different challenges, different audiences.
The technologies we've put in so far are a brand new state-of-the-art radio system, ensuring they've got signal throughout all 3 buildings.
We're 3 distinct sites, and because we use them all at the same time on many occasions, we could have a lot of people here using the same radio channels at the same time. So we need absolute crystal clear reliability to allow us to communicate along the whole of the site, and we certainly do get that.
We have implemented a body-worn camera solution.
It's really important to us to have body-worn video with our security and stewarding staff, because that allows us to capture evidence and give reassurance to people around their safety and security.
The third system that we implemented was the weapons technology.
It gets a lot of people in very rapidly and very securely and very reliably, so we're really pleased with that one in particular. Sometimes we have many different events going on at the same time, and we can cover them all with the technology that we've got.
We're always striving to bring on technology that is going to enhance what we're already doing. We've recently partnered with a drone company, we've got the CCTV overlay, and as the challenges come, we will continue to ensure the right technology is put in. If you're a forward-thinking venue like ACC Liverpool, get in contact with us.
I can highly recommend the personal approach, the reliability around the kit and equipment. It's definitely worth getting in contact and discussing what you require.